All right, now let's do a couple of more exponential growth and decay problems. These can be sometimes a little bit more involved. Suppose I have a declining sales situation where 4 months after it stops advertising, a manufacturing company notices that sales have dropped from 100,000 units per month to 80,000 units per month. Now we just gave you 2 points. All right. If the sales follow an exponential pattern of decline, what will they be after another 2 months? Let's look to see what points we found. It started at 100,000 units. So my first point is 0, 100,000. And 4 months later, I have the point at 80,000. And they want to know what will it be after another 2 months. So at 6 months, I want to know what y will be. So it follows exponential. So I know y is equal to c e to the k t. Start with your first unit. So 100,000 is equal to c. I can rewrite this formula as, I'm going to put at 0, 100,000. Okay, so y is equal to 100,000, e to the kt. Come over here and put at 4 and 80,000. What do I have? I have 80,000 is equal to 10,000, e to the 4 times k. Solving this for k, I get k is about negative 0.0558. So to find this, I want to know what is y at 6. So y at 6 is going to be c, which is 10,000, or excuse me, 100,000. Did I lose a 0 there? I sure did. Happens. All right. I made a mistake, so I'm just going to draw a line through it. Tell you what, let me back up and rewrite my formula. This is 100,000 e to the minus 0.0558t. So now I'm going to come in, and y at 6 is 100,000 e to the minus 0.0558 times 6. So I get, this is at about 71,500 units. Now let's go back to Newton's law of cooling. Let y represent the temperature in F of an object in a room whose temperature is kept at a constant 60 degrees. If the object cools from 100 to 90 in 10 minutes, how much longer will it take to cool to 80? Let's let y be our temperature. And if it cools from 100 to 90, how long is it going to take to go to 80? Well, you remember from Newton's law of cooling, the rate of change is proportional to the difference between y and this constant temperature. So I know y prime is going to equal some constant times y minus 60. It's proportional to the difference between y and 60. And this is only between 80 and 100. Now let's solve this differential equation. All right, I'm going to need to bring this over. So I have dy is equal to k dt, and this is divided by y minus 60. All right, let's integrate both sides. I have the natural log of y minus 60 is equal to kt plus, and let me call that c1. Now, because y is constricted, I don't actually need this absolute value sign. So when I solve this, raise both sides to the e, so I have y minus 60 is equal to k e to the kt plus c1, which is, we're going to rewrite this as some C e to the kt. That's y minus 16. Let me rearrange this. So my equation for y is equal to c e to the kt plus 60. All right. Now I can use my my values. I didn't write them down. Let's see. What are my points? At t equals 0, I'm at 100 degrees. So at 0, 100 degrees, I have, let's see. This is t and this is y. I have 100 is equal to c e to the 0 plus 60. All right, so I get c is equal to 40. I'm going to rewrite my equation. Let me write it down here. Y is equal to 40 e to the kt plus 60. Now, in my next point is at 10 minutes, I'm at 90 degrees. And we're looking for how much longer, okay, it's going to take. I'll just find out what time will it be 80 degrees. And we can find how much longer. All right, so at t equals 10, y is 90. So let me see if I can find k here. I have 90 is equal to 40 e to the k times 10 plus 60. So 30 is 40 e to the kt. Solving for k, I get it's about negative 0.02877. So now my equation, y is 40 e to the negative 0.02877 t plus 60. Now, in order to find out, let's find out the time at which it will be 80. So, at t80, let's see if we can find the time. So 80 is equal to 40 e to the minus 0.02877 t. Solving this for t, I get about 24.09 minutes. Now this is the time. We wanted to know how much longer, okay? We didn't ask for the total. We didn't ask for the total time, we asked for how much longer. So the time total equals the 10 minutes plus the longer, how much longer. So our answer then is going to be 24.09 minus 10, or about 14.09 minutes. Okay, you give these a go. Stop the video when you're done. Good luck.